Okay, whether you've got some collage or more painted textures in the background and you're ready to put a larger stencil on top, find a color that's contrasting. I've got some pastel sort of blue and green in the background. I've got a little bit of this purple left. I'm hoping this tip holds up and we can spray paint the Obama stencil right on top of that. Remember to keep shaking the can, keep the spray paint moving, turn the can upside down at the end to release any clogged paint from the tip. At this point, you can still see through the paint down here. It's been painted thin enough that you can still see some of that flower. Maybe that's something you want. Maybe you want it a little bit more solid on top. That's up to you to decide. It's your stencil. So you can decide from here what you want to do. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker over here and around his face. Okay, so what happened over here is some spray paint went beyond the stencil. That's also beyond the paper that is my art piece, so it's okay for me. If you want to prevent that from happening with your stencil, you should get some wide tape and tape along the borders in order to prevent any overspill of paint. At this point, we can use your fingers if you don't mind getting them all messed up. Remove the stencil, or you can wait for it to dry a little bit longer. Spray paint doesn't take too long to dry where it's not getting gooey on you. Remove the pins. I have one more over here. Okay. Then you're going to take the stencil, lay it on newsprint, and bring that to the drying rack and continue to work on your painting however you want.